Good morning, sir. I'm Abhishek Ramesh from Pune, Maharashtra. I've completed my graduation in Bachelor's of Computer Application in 2020 April from Maharashtra Institute of Technology. Thereafter, I've joined Innovative Digitex Services as a desktop support engineer for a client Zyka Software Private Limited. As a desktop support engineer, I had a responsibility to to handle the general hardware trouble and failure issues, the software and application updation and installation, the domain joining, new user creation, existing user updations, basic server related issues, the issues related to Windows, Outlook, and network issues, etc. The common issues with which I dealt with during my time was the issues related to Windows, like the BOCD error, the Windows hanging issues, the virus issues, issues related to Outlook was like the PST creation, the backup of taking backup of PSTs, or incoming and outgoing email error issues. Issues related to network was like the slow connection, connection failure, link failure, etc. Like issues related to the hardware was like the power failure, the keyboard error, the touchpad error issues, etc. I used to provide support to like 200 systems. In my team, there was two desktop support engineers, including me, one service desk person, one admin, and one manager. On a day-to-day basis, I used to handle 20 to 25 tickets. The manager to whom I used to report was Mr. Ganesh sir. The For lodging tickets, we had our own cloud-based CRM. CRM. Uh, the office version which we used at our company was the 2013 and 16. The Outlook also we used to use like both the 2016 and 13. The virus and the antivirus which we used was the semantic endpoint protection. The version was 14. I have an experience of 1.2 years, and the salary which I used to get was 12,400 per month, and the mode of payment was cash in hand. Uh, I'm suitable for the current opening at your organization as I'm sincere and hardworking towards my work, and I assure that I'll prove myself as a great asset for your reputed company. uh, the reason for my leaving of my current company is basically as my contract period with this company, my current company is about to end, and I'm serving the notice period. The notice period is like for 7 days. uh, Thank you.